Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Now here is the question. The bob of a simple pendulum executes simple harmonic motion in water with a period small t, while the period of oscillation of the bob is t naught in air. Neglecting frictional force of water and given that the density of the bob is 4 by 3 into 1000 kg per meter cube, what relationship between T and T naught is true? Here we have given four options. Options are A, T equal to T naught. Option B, T equal to T naught by 2. Option C, T equal to 2 T naught. And option D, T equal to 4 T naught. In this question, we have to given a simple pendulum which is oscillate in air and its time period is given T naught. When this simple pendulum is dipped in water, then its time period is given, that is T, and we have to calculate the relation T naught and T. Okay. Firstly, we have to calculate the mass of the bob. Here, mass of the bob is equal to density of the bob into volume. The density is given 4 by 3 into 1000 V. Okay. And now apply Archimedes principle. We know that what is Archimedes principle? When any object fully or partially immersed in the liquid, its weight get reduced by the weight of liquid displaced by it, or we can say Buoyant's force. So here, apparent weight, that is actual weight of the bob minus Buoyant's force. Here density 4 by 3 into 1000 V into G dash, again 4 by 3 1000 V and G, and minus. Here Buoyant's force means the weight of the liquid displaced by it. So therefore here density of the water, that we know that 1000, volume that is V, and here G. Okay, so here 1000 Vg get common, 4 by 3 minus 1 and 4 by 3, 1000 Vg. Here V cancel out, 1000 cancel out, and here 4 by 3 G dash is equal to G, and 1 by 3, here 3 cancel out, then G dash equal to G by 4. So here we get the relation between this apparent acceleration due to gravity and actual gravity G by 4. Okay, so here we establish the relation. Now we know that the time period of the bob when air is in air, that T naught is equal to 2 pi root L by G. Okay, and when it is immersed in water, then time period is T equal to 2 pi root L by G dash. Here we have already find out what is G dash. G dash is G by 4, then G by 4. T equal to 2 pi L by G upon reaches in numerator 4, and root 4, that is 2. So take 2 in outside, 2 pi root L by G. Okay, so here 2 pi root L by G, that is T naught. So it is the relation T equal to 2 T naught. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.